Okay, good morning everyone. What a lovely day. It's Wednesday and like a typical spring, the temperature, the mild temperature in Taiwan, I like this kind of temperature because I am not sweating. I like this kind of weather, okay? Before I start, I want to ask everyone, theoretically, I arrange the first exam, the midterm, on week number 8. That is April 10th. Is it okay for everybody, or do you want me to postpone it to next week, week number 9? I'm flexible, but I want to know how about your schedule. Or you want me because you may have the exams from the 8th week, 9th week, or 10th week. 10, 9, 8. 8, okay, Daniel, you voted for 8. How about other students? 10, and how about 8? 2 votes for 8. And don't worry, as I mentioned before, during the class, except discuss with the classmates, you can do anything, use any tool to finish the exam paper, the questions. You can even ask me, but I will not give you the answer directly. I will give you some hints. Is it okay? If you, how many courses do you have in this semester and their exam is on the 9th? Because the 9th is officially scheduled from campus. But I prevent to have any conflict with them because the students' loading will be very big. So I plan to move backward to the week number 8. How do you think about it? If no more problem, we can continue this part. Okay, then, and today I will spend maybe 10 minutes to review previous work because we are going to because the course is become harder and harder, especially today. Today, I will introduce the chapter number 3. 3.1 is okay, but 3.2 is very, very, very important. And that is the fundamental of this part. In the future, no matter you work on a business company or you try to have your own company, this part you need to understand. And the difficulty of this part, in my opinion, that's intermediate. So about today, maybe the third class of today, please focus yourself, concentrate yourself on this part. If you even take the math, it's okay for me, but on the third class, please concentrate yourself, listen to what I say, and try to read the textbook here. Okay, let's go back to previous, have a brief review from previous course. And last week, we discussed about chapter number 2.3. That is about other graphical representation of data. And we did some graphs. For example, this one. No, I didn't mention it because this one, personally, I don't think that is important, so skip this. But about this one, scatter plot, that is easy but essential skills for you. Again, scatter plot is easy and essential for you and me too. But I'm older now. I'm a teacher now. I'm not a student anymore. So try to plug this one, because it is very good to check the correlation between the elevation and the temperature. And the second version, okay, previously we have done this. Let me check any more. So we done 2.3. We done. So we done. Lab experience we are done. No. Q6. Okay. Q8. How about let's check Q8? and Q9. Q9 we have done that. Q10, 12. Okay, how about we can do the, let's select example question, we can practice it. Okay, how about this one? This one is homework number 2. Homework number 2. Okay, homework number 2. Here. Students in let me copy and paste the website to you. Oh, mask it. Question number 2. Homework number 2. Okay. Okay, let's practice to make a plot from the data. Okay, any question? No, go. And I'm going to use the Microsoft, not Microsoft, like me, go to the Google Drive and have new file. I use Google Spreadsheet here. Then I set the file name 2024-03. Today is 27th. Review chapter 2.3. Homework Q2. Okay. If you think it's okay, let me show you a tip. Copy the link and go to the spreadsheet here. You can insert an image. No, not image, sorry. Drawing. And paste the link in the drawing. Save. Okay, and here is the textbook here. Then I copy the student's number, paste it here. Okay, let's go ahead and conduct this part. Okay, for you.
What is the app that you use to translate the whole page?
Okay. I think then we can have her to find. So we want to translate the language into English or from your mother language? English. So this is the Did you log in from your Gmail account? No? Oh yes. Because as long as you log in from your Gmail account, you can set the language interface. Yeah, you can set it, and I think it's easier. So I'm live streaming now. I prepare to say something back to our campus because they are not friendly to international standards, especially the computer interface. But you can log in from your Gmail and set the language interface to the language you like. Wait a minute. Yep. Sorry. You can copy because I copied the website here, the chapter 2.3. There is a special link to that, and copy it here. You can paste it from one cell. It's okay. You can insert a graph, a drawing. That's also okay. It's up to you. Because in the future, you want to find the original textbook, the part of it. You can click the link. That's okay. It's up to you. We don't. I don't want to restrict you under one way to finish this part. As long as we can do it, that's okay. Okay. Okay, then the question is, student in statistical class took the first test. The data is like this. Example 2.3.5 are the scores they earned. Create a stem plot. No. Okay, we don't need to have a stem plot. And now, I suggest you to arrange those information and put it as a scatter plot. Chart. Sorry, I meant, okay. At this part, you can see the score was 67. No. I think I made a mistake. So I think this question is not good. Let me switch to the next one. Sorry, I made a mistake here. Let's switch to the question number 3. I'm sorry, because for the scatter plot, the question number 3 is stated, not number 2. I'm sorry that. And here is the question number 2. Number 3. Copy and paste it here. I deleted the previous information. That we got this set. Home, work, Q3. Then we can select those two data sets, insert, chart, and select scatter chart, the first one, then done. Sure, you can modify the graph, but this time I don't waste your time to do this, because in the future we will come back to do this many times. Again, do me a favor, as long as you finish this part. Yeah, go ahead. As long as you finish this part, just try to screenshot your work and pass to your blogger. That's my schedule, and today is March 27th. You can scroll down, and here. Can you accept the data format like this one? Can you accept it? That's our previous work. Because on Monday and now it's Wednesday, you can switch to different course. It's on Monday. No, it's the course. It's different courses from me, and it's on Monday. And now we are going to the Wednesday course. It's on Monday. Is it academic writing? Okay. Okay. So I should have put a link or go back to this. Weird. Black spot here, and scroll down. We are here, statistics. Then see the background color symbol is pink, and go to. Yep. Why? Okay. I think I forgot to. You can check the today's syllabus. I forgot to do something. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Please take a look at this. I'm sorry, I didn't say this. Now I'm going to do it. I click this page and click share. And general access, I switch to anyone with this link. And they are viewers for this, and done. Okay, so you can do it again. I'm sorry, I forgot to set this. Okay, as long as you finish this part, like this one, then you can copy, you can screenshot this. Maybe you can copy, paste to your notes. Questions? Let me know. In the future, I will tell you how to make this graph look more beautiful. I will tell you, but not this time because we need to do more work now. Yes, how can I help you? Yeah, okay, let's go to today's class, and we are going to review the previous chapter now, and today I will explain 3.1 and 3.2, and there are some examples. Yeah, and that is the link of the textbook. Okay, done. Let's take a screenshot of this plot and the data, and use the source. The source is this link. Chapter 2.3. Remember, you need to cite. Cite means place, to type, to copy and paste the source of the information. It's very important. Otherwise, you will become a plagiarism. You steal the ideas, you steal the data from somewhere. You are student and the teacher now. We need to follow the rules, academic ethics. Okay? Copy. Because the information we get is from here. Leave a text and copy the link here. Okay, 2 minutes, then we can move to next. By the way, for general classroom is okay, but in a community classroom, eating and drinking is prohibited. So, including me, when I want to drink something, when I go out the classroom, after that, come back. Everything okay?
So, what's a little bit? What's a little bit late?
Don't worry.
So, it could be
The homework question number 3, go to the number 3, because I just reviewed the part how to draw a scatter plot. Scroll down. Homework question number 3. Continue to down. Or you can search for homework. Homework, no example, then go, continue to go down. Yeah, homework number 3. Number 3, yeah, and copy the link to your work and select the data set from here.
So,
You can use your own Microsoft Excel, but I prefer to teach students to use Google Office. That's free to use.
well, mine is not, there's a problem with mine.
I respect every student because you have your own tools. That's okay. Okay, and this one, select it, insert, draw, select the type of scatter plot or scatter chart, like this. Format, here, insert, chart. Sure, from the Microsoft Office, it has its own operation, but I use the Google Office because I don't like Microsoft. That's my personal attitude. I'm sorry, but I prefer to teach students to use Google Office. It's free to use, legal to use. Okay, and select the data set, click insert, click chart. Then the right side there is a small function menu and select scatter chart and done. But I know that the chart looks a little bit ugly, but it doesn't matter. In the future, I will tell you how to modify it and look more beautiful. Then I screenshot this and send it to our And see, I just make a copy of this and chapter 2.3 homework Q3 like this. And here is my example. Let me show you. And here is my example file. I share it, send it to anyone knows this link, he or she can enter this and share, copy, done, back. Okay, how about 2 minutes we can move forward to the chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. Okay, before I continue, let me share a tool, useful tool. Before I start the 3.1 measures of the center, I copy the link and paste it to my Chromium, and after I or you install the extension from the Chrome or from the Firefox, you can set the language or you can set the auto detect. Then set the target language. For example, for me, I set it to traditional Chinese. I click.
What is the name of that extension?
I will tell you that, and let me show you here. Then you can see I like this because just one English, one your language. Okay, if I set, for example, we have some students for the mother language is French. See, we can see one paragraph in English, one paragraph in I don't know this. It should be French, but I don't know that. So okay, where is the extension that is here. Okay, here's translation. Look like this. Oh, sorry, not the immersive. Immersive translated website and page PDF translated is an extension, a tool, a small tool on Firefox the browser or on Chrome. You can either use it because I installed it on both browsers, like this one. Actually, as a teacher here, I encourage everybody to study any subjects in English directly. But for me, English is my weak subject. I know it, I knew it. So now we have this kind of tools. We can save your time. Try to read in your mother language first, then read English in a second. It's a tool. It's a tool. I encourage everyone to do this. But however, as long as you need to write your report or your exam paper or present according to the rules, you can use your own language or use English. It's up to you. Immersive translate, that is the translate web or from extension. Okay, let me copy paste here. Okay, no more question. I can move forward to here. Excuse me, Warren. What's your first language? What's your first language? You told me that your first language is not English. So what's your first language? Filipino? It's different from English. Filipino? PH? This one? Okay, let me clearly. So I misunderstood that every student or every people from Philippines, the English is the mother language. I don't understand that, sorry. So I think I was an international student. I know the difficulty when we study outside our country. I know that, I knew it. So I try to be more friendly to our international students. That's my purpose. I know that. So now we have such a tool, so we can do it. Again, if you have a question, please let me know. And personally, I think if you read English, for me, I read English, even spend 1 hour, I can catch maybe 20%. If I have a chance to read it in my language, I can catch the concept in 10 minutes, maybe 60 or 70%, then I can go back to read the English. Okay, you can say this. Okay, then, hi, 我们 move to, 我们就往下走喽。Let's move to the chapter number 3.1. 3.1. Okay, again, because this is open text, there are several chapters. The first one is statistics basics, we have done it. The second one, graphical description of data, we have done it. And now we are moving to the chapter number 3, examining the evidence using graphic and statistics. Personally, this is the first step, second and third. Third is most important. And I hope we can finish. Probability, personally, I don't think it's important, so I will accelerate this part. And discrete probability and distribution, this one is important. But a little bit hard, not easy this part. And chapter number 7, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and it depends on how much time do you have. Because the supervisor told me that you need to train students with fundamental skills, but do not teach too much basic skills. So when I was a PhD student, we learned everything here. We learned everything. Especially regression. That was horrible for me. Chi-square, horrible for me, but I survived. So now we are going to the chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. In chapter 1, discuss with population, perimeter, and statistical R, and how to take different types of samples. Chapter 2 discuss with graphical display data. We have done that and we reviewed it earlier. There was also discussion in the importance of characteristics, center, variations, distribution, outliers, and change characteristics of those data over time. Distributions and outliers can be answered using graphical means tools, okay. And finding the center and variation can be done using numerical methods, and they will be discussed in the chapter, okay. Okay. Both graphical and numerical methods are part of a branch of statistics known as descriptive statistics. Let me tell you, what is descriptive statistics? The person already have data, maybe a lot of data, maybe a little bit of data, but the data are existing. Now try to make a description, try to analyze it, and this part, for my opinion, is really important for students and professors in business field, in economics. And I was the background of biology. In our background, besides descriptive information, we emphasize the inferential statistics. Why? Do you remember 4 years ago, the pandemic of COVID-19, it came. Then many countries, especially advanced countries, developed vaccines, but it's impossible to use the whole population from the country as a race or small mouses to test it. Thus, they need to select volunteers. Maybe they will get paid. They will select a small proportion of people to attend the vaccine test. Then in the future, they try to use the small test to evaluate the big population, the efficacy of the vaccine. And this part is really important for biology field like me. But your background is business and economics. Personally, I think this part is important. Sure, you can use a descriptive statistics to predict, for example, the economics or the potential market, this part. So, okay, my supervisor told me this part is important, but my background is biology, so this part is important for us. Get it? Okay, take a lesson then. We can go back to the chapter number 3.1. Okay, take a break. Then we will take a look. Okay, 休息吧，各位。Have a break, everybody.